What are the most common mistakes you see beginners fall into? The biggest problem I see with people starting business in general is that they just don't stick with something long enough to reach the level of depth with their knowledge to actually make real money. That's the biggest problem in the entire world, right? Like in the entire business world, like entrepreneurial world. People just don't stick with something long enough to reach the level of knowledge they actually need to make a lot of money, right? So that's the first thing. In terms of with Etsy, I think it's people just don't move quick enough. They don't open up multiple stores. They rely on one single store and they just think too much. But really the most common problem I see with beginners starting Etsy is the most common problem I see with beginners starting anything in the entire world. Like whether it's OFM, an agency, Shopify, like people don't stick with one thing long enough to reach the level of depth with their knowledge to actually see real success and real money. And they just don't move quickly enough. Some people take like 2 months to start a Shopify site that they love and they're falling in love with, and they're just fucking idiots. And I'd say that's a big thing as well. A lot of people want to do something they're passionate about when they're starting their first business online. And that is like literally the worst idea ever. You should do something that is going to make you money.